McCormick. Coming into McCormick town limit. Unless this is a very small town, this battery is not going to last all the way through. Well, that house needs a lot. Okay, it needs a roof, but then look, on second look, it needs a whole lot more than a roof. Dollar General could find, I know they'd have some hot dogs. The battery died coming down the hill. Now I want to get this. This will be another nice little town, another nice little small South Carolina town. Again, this is McCormick. July the 13th, 2021. US 221 coming up. 10 after 4. Greenwood straight ahead, Abbeville to the left, Augusta 40 miles to the right. 378 straight ahead. South Carolina 28 crosses. An interesting church with stained glass. It's probably 85. $411, $415. Crossing the railroad tracks, east 378, north 221. That's a pretty little park right there. This is a nice little town. We're going to turn right here. Go down by the depot and the old train. Looks like there's a caboose down there. We'll come by and catch that building there with that nice mural on the wall. We'll cut across the tracks and catch those houses over there. But we may do that. Well, we'll catch it. We'll do that right now. We'll go down there and catch that first. Y'all want to come back up here and catch that caboose? You know, this would be an interesting little place to spend the night. I need to find law enforcement and ask them if there's somewhere that might be safe for me to boondock if they didn't have an objection to it. Burger King, I could go for a Burger King. Family Dollar. McCormick County Courthouse. Got a little fruit stand over there. Have parties in the morning for breakfast. We'll go one block further this time, then turn and come back and catch more of the town. I'm sure I could find a little motel or something, but I don't want to spend any money. There's the sheriff right there. Let me see if I can catch him when he gets finished with that gas. Yeah, that's the only way I can do what I do, is for me to stay wherever I'm at at no cost. I mean, even at $30 a night, I mean, that's going to be way too much. That's $900 a month. Buy a house for that, less than that. Very nice little town, McCormick, South Carolina. Very nice. This will be an excellent addition to our video collection. The old cotton gin. That's residences now, looks like. Oh, look, watermelon. Not them little baby ones that you've been seeing at the stores either. I thought I was going to be able to cut back across there, but I cannot. I think that's a museum, it looks like. Very nice little town, folks. I'm tickled silly to have come this way instead of turning and going down through Augusta. Left or right at Oak Street, it doesn't matter to me, but make up your mind. That's what he's probably saying about me now. What are you doing? Make up your mind. Well, I need to figure out which way I'm going. The sheriff is still over there. Okay, we're going to cut back through. We're going to figure out where we're going. So I'll have to turn it back off. She didn't have any eyes. Just a little small store. Pretty little town, isn't it? Okay, I'm gonna go down to the other end of town here this time and go on past the depot on the left and see if there's a place to stop and get some pictures of the depot and the caboose. Sheriff got gone before I could get it to stop and get out. I haven't seen a police station or anything. Wouldn't mind running parallel to the railroad tracks. There's one on the left and right. Blue house and a red roof. Well, we were headed northeast. With us making a right turn, we're probably headed east or southeast now. Let's see what Google says. If we head south-southeast, we're bound to come across I-20. Okay, are we on 221? Looks like we're on 221. If we are, that's going to come down into Augusta. I may have wanted to go not a good connection. The Google's slow. I may have wanted to stay on that road where the store was. We're on 221 headed south. I want to cut back. See if there's a little side road up here. No, I'm not on 221. 221 is to the right of me. I'm going to come into 221. We need to make a 90-degree turn. Yeah, see, we're coming into 221, headed south to Augusta. I don't know that that's what I want to do. I wanted to sort of maybe catch US Hwy. I'm going to have to pull over and see where we're at, see where we're going.